And in Scarborough, strong winds blew over at least 4 utility poles tonight. This is on Pleasant Hill Road. Police from Scarborough and South Portland were called in. Part of that road is closed so crews can clean up that mess. A short time ago, police told us they don't know how soon it will reopen. One pole came down right on top of a Jeep. Both people inside are okay. The driver of that Jeep told us what happened before the pole came down right on his car.
We were driving down Pleasant and, enjoying some good music and laughing about the fact that it was really raining. And the next thing I know, I saw the brake lights of the car in front of me, and this wave of water just came across. You couldn't see anything, and the next thing you know, smash. I think her car went to the right. You couldn't see it, but my car got hit. I saw 3 flashes of light. My window was smashed, and we just got out of it. Like, I don't know what else to do. And next thing you know, we noticed that we had this big transformer on top of our car.
Again, that driver and his passenger were not hurt.